Hey, what's up guys, Winston here, and today we'll be taking a quick look at the MSI GeForce RTX 4080 Super Gaming X Slim. This is the MSI GeForce RTX 4080 Super Gaming X Slim, and as the name suggests, it's a slimmer version of their gaming series, measuring just 322 by 136 by 62mm in size. The graphics card uses Nvidia's GeForce RTX 4080 Super GPU featuring Lovelace architecture and comes with a total of 10,240 CUDA cores with 80 RT cores and 320 Tensor cores. The GPU runs at a slightly overclocked boost speed of 2610 MHz and comes with a total of 16 Gigabytes of GDDR6X VRAM on a 256-bit memory bus running at a speed of 23 Gbps per second. For cooling, it comes with MSI's Tri-Frozer 3 thermal design, which includes core heat pipes for maximum contact between the GPU and the heatsink. It also comes with Torx Fan 5, which features fan blades linked by arc rings, which help stabilize and maintain a high pressure airflow. Video outputs include two HDMI 2.1A and two DisplayPort 1.4A, which is more than enough for most users out there. The package comes with a handy graphics card holder, which helps prevent sag, and you also get a VH-PWR cable converter to work with existing power supplies. A slimmer card design means that there's more space inside your case, and therefore allowing for more airflow. The Gaming Slim series from MSI maintains the high same performance gaming with great aesthetics. So let's put this into our test rig and see how it performs. But before we do that, let's do a quick unboxing and we'll see you in a bit. Alright, let's do a quick unboxing of the MSI GeForce RTX 4080 Super Gaming X Slim. Alright, let's take a look inside the box. Okay, we have the graphics card holder here to prevent the sag once you install your graphics card. We also have the 16-pin PCI power connector, so that means you can use your existing power supply and put 3 of the 8-pin PCI power connectors. Alright, let's take a look at the graphics card itself. Alright, here we have the MSI GeForce RTX 4080 Super Gaming X Slim. Comes with the Tri-Frozer 3 cooling system. Sadly, the cooling fans do not come with any RGB, which is a little bit disappointing, but you do get some RGB at the top here with the MSI logo. And here we have the 16-pin PCI power connector, the 12 VH PWR connector there, and notice we have a dual BIOS switch here for the silent gaming or gaming performance there. It also has a very large heatsink and with the core heat pipes and a solid metal backplate as well. Video outputs include 2 HDMI and 2 display ports. So this card uses 3 PCI slot space, so make sure your case has enough room inside. Alright, so let's compare the size of this card versus another GeForce RTX 4080 Super that we have. Okay, on the top here we have the Gigabyte GeForce RTX 4080 Super, and here's the MSI Gaming X Slim. Now it's about an inch shorter, and if I flip it this way, it's about an inch thinner. This card actually uses 4 PCI slot space, whereas the MSI uses 3 PCI slot space. In terms of height, if I flip this around, and you can see here it's actually lined up and it's about an inch shorter as well. Alright, so that's the size comparison between a GeForce RTX 4080 Super, this one's from Gigabyte, and this is the slim version from MSI and it is a lot slimmer and smaller in size. We'll be testing this card using an Intel Core i9 14900K along with a Z790 motherboard and 32GB of DDR5 7400 RAM. Alright, so this was a quick unboxing of the MSI GeForce RTX 4080 Super Gaming X Slim.
Now we all know how good the GeForce RTX 4080 Super really is in terms of performance. It's currently the second fastest gaming graphics card on the market behind the RTX 4090. So with that said, we can expect the MSI GeForce RTX 4080 Super Gaming X Slim to perform just like any other RTX 4080 Super. However, since it uses an overclocked GPU running at 2610 MHz, the default is 2550 MHz, you're actually getting a slightly better performance overall. And remember, the card also comes with 16GB of GDDR6X VRAM running at 23 gigabits per second. Plus you get all the power of Nvidia's 88 Lovelace architecture with a massive 10,240 CUDA cores, 80 RT cores, 320 Tensor cores, and the support for DLSS 3.5. Measuring just 322 by 136 by 62mm in size, is one of the thinnest GeForce RTX 4080 Super we've come across. A slimmer graphics card design means there's more space inside the case, and therefore allowing more airflow. You can check out the size comparison between the Gigabyte GeForce RTX 4080 Super versus the MSI GeForce RTX 4080 Super Gaming X Slim. During our tests, we used an Intel Core i9 14900K processor along with a Z790 gaming motherboard and 32GB of DDR5 7400 RAM. We got excellent scores in all of our benchmarks, including an impressive score of 10,542 for Basemark Red Egg of Life and a Geekbench GPU score of 253,010. Passmark GPU 11 score was 37,261. For Unigen's Valley benchmark, we got a score of 11,136 and a Final Fantasy benchmark score of 22,061. For Superposition 1080p Extreme and Optimized 4K, we got really good scores of 16,702 and 22,940 respectively. For 3D Mark Steel Nomad and Speedway, we got excellent scores of 6,684 and 7,385 respectively. For Port Royale and TimeSpy, it produced an impressive score of 18,331 and 27,534 respectively. And lastly, we got a DirectX Ray Tracer score of 88.04 frames per second and a DLSS score of 40.49 frames per second. And finally, for Cyberpunk 2077 at 4K with ray tracing and DLSS on, we got an excellent score of 55.07 frames per second. If space is at a premium inside your case, then the MSI GeForce RTX 4080 Super Gaming X Slim is the perfect graphics card for any hardcore gaming enthusiast. It offers excellent performance thanks to an overclocked GPU, which is cooled by MSI's Trifroza 3 thermal design, delivering exceptional cooling. You can check out the full review on our website at Funkykit.com.
And there you have it. That was a quick look at the MSI GeForce RTX 4080 Super Gaming X Slim, a slimmer version of the GeForce RTX 4080 Super gaming series, offering the same amazing performance with great aesthetics and, of course, excellent cooling. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a like and leave a comment down below. Don't forget you can actually buy this via the links in the description, and of course visit our website for more news, reviews and hot tips. Oh yeah, don't forget, hit the subscribe button for more. Until next time, this is Winston for Funkykit.com.